Hello everybody, this is an update for the CNC 1ZZ intake. I have to do a little bit of customization here, like I said in the previous video. So what I did is basically cut this in half, bent this, and then as you see, this will, the cable will arch as it do. So when you do get on the throttle, it will kind of stay in place. You really want to bend this so it'll have like a natural feel. So when it goes back into place, you don't have to worry as much. And for the hosing changed a little bit at the bottom, as you see. So I am now running a catch can because this 1ZZ that has stage 2 cams, bigger pistons and everything, like the blowback is pretty strong. So I find myself crop dusting other people behind me. So to alleviate some of that, I am running the catch can, which it has done better and helped with. So that's one of the things that I did to utilize this areas. As you've seen, these little nipple parts are going to be from Harbor Freight. So they have all different types of size. You can get like generic ones. I just ran out and grabbed this because it was a lot easier. And then one of my favorite parts was this little area that affected that. So this little area, what I did is went to the store. This is kind of like a 3/8. I think it was 3/8. So for that, this is aluminum. I removed the pipe that's there, which is very easy. If you bend it with some pliers, you can get it out, or extension, you can get it out fairly easy. But once I got it out, I went to local Home Depot hardware store and looked for a 3/8 elbow or 90-degree, and basically got a 3/8 drill set just so I can drill it out and then be able to thread this in a little bit. I'm still working on it. So you can do anything as you want once you get that piece out. You can put a hose, you can put a plastic piece, which I might actually entertain doing, is putting a plastic piece and then just having it heated up to form to where it sits in there a little bit easier. But right now, this is what I am running with for that. As I said, this section here is very easy from making it very high, just drop it down low. And for everything else, that is it. And like I said, with the catch can, it just position this angle. I have extra parts laying around, so I kind of configured it to where I can remove the can and clean it anytime. And like I said, for all you guys that if you're not running a 1-inch throttle body spacer, this right here for me is a M6 times 1.00 times a 65. If you guys want, I think a 40-45 would run pretty well. But for me, because that throttle body spacer, it is going to be a little bit bigger for me. And I am going to be working on something a little bit more custom than this. But if you need to have something just to fit decently, this works very well. You can get this at your local auto parts store. It's accordion. There's a lot in there, so you can cut it to how you want and use the clamps to how you want to put it into place. All right, if you guys do have any questions or concerns, definitely message me. I would say this sounds amazing on the road. So when I get my donor car out of here and on its way to its new home, then I will be able to pull it out, the car without ease, or without any problems, I'm sorry. And you guys will be able to hear it, so I will do a video later on.